Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video and another unboxing. Today we're unboxing a watch from VanBanner Watches out of Canada. This is their debut model and consists of 3 colorways and one single model called the VBA0. So VanBanner A0. So let's open the package and see how this watch looks. It is an everyday casual watch done with high quality and decent specs for the money. So let's check out the outer packaging. It comes with this sleeve. Inside is a cardboard box, both signed with the VanBanner logo. And once you open the box, you get a little cloth, again branded. Inside you get a watch, and here are some tools, strap changing tools, and you got these holders for the watch. Let's move this away and open the actual packaging. You get a little tag, pretty cool. And here we have a watch. The watch. Okay, we caught that one. Take this off, and here it is. This, like I said, is a casual, do anything, go anywhere kind of watch. It's very simple in design. So you have stick markers, you have pretty simple hands, but pretty original. It's 38 millimeters in diameter, 46 millimeter lug to lug, which kind of expands with these T-shaped endings, but because it's just 46, I believe this is gonna be okay even on my smallish wrist. And the party piece is the lack of thickness, which is just 11.2 millimeters, including this highly domed, double domed sapphire crystal that comes with inner AR only, just the way I like it. The bracelet features solid links, solid end links, and a machined clasp, just as you would expect. Now, allow me a couple of minutes just to unwrap it out of this, and we're gonna take a closer look. Okay, after a bit of struggle, we're back. So I unwrapped this thing, and I have to admit, I really do like it. It has the simplicity of something like a Rolex Explorer, but it has its own thing going on. So you have polished sides on both the bracelet and case, while the top sides of both, again, the case and bracelet, are done in a brushed finish to resist scratches better and to be a better everyday watch. So it doesn't have a lot of bling factor except for this sunburst dial. There's a blue version, a purple version, and this green version. They have this sunburst effect and kind of a gradient shades of green from almost black to light green. I really do like it. The markers are applied and polished, and hands are polished as well. You get this simple, very simple and very thin red hand. These will retail for $530, which is kind of okay for the specs you get. So the sapphire crystal, the excellent bracelet, which does look pretty spectacular, and a very massive signed clasp. Let's open it to see. And look at it. It really is massive. Everything is thick, and I only wish they included the on-the-fly adjustment, which is something I got used to on many micro brands today. But even like this, it does ooze quality. Now, once I do the full review, we'll see how this watch looks under macro. But I do like the simplicity of it, and I do like the readability. It comes with 100 meters of water resistance, and thanks to the placement of the crown at 4 o'clock, which is also a screwing crown, it should wear pretty comfortably. Again, thanks to the dimensions and the lack of thickness, it does have pretty much perfect proportions. But let's try to put it on my wrist, and as you can see, the case back is closed. It's also something that I actually prefer on this type of watch, because you want something simple, durable, and something you can wear in every occasion, and this does look like it. Now the purple one, which is currently sold out, is probably the most attractive one, or the one that screams look at me, while this one and the blue one are more kind of under the radar types of watches. I do like all of them, and the purple one, well, you gotta be a character to be able to pull it off. It's not something I would actually do. I prefer the green one as my favorite. Okay, so let's slide it on my wrist to see how it looks, and my wrist is 6.7 inches. So with the dimensions they mentioned, it should wear pretty much perfectly. The bracelet hasn't been sized, so I'll be just keeping it, you know, pretending that it fits. And here it is. Let me zoom out a bit more And this is it on my 6.7-inch wrist, and as you can see, it's pretty much perfect. The case and the bracelet follow the curvature of my wrist just the way I like it, but the watch does have a bit more wrist presence than you would expect from a 38mm watch, thanks to an all-dial design. And it really is quite thin, look at it. It looks almost like a quartz watch, which is something I actually like. The bracelet does seem quite comfortable because it has full articulation of all the links, and it does seem like it's really well made. Anyways, that's it when it comes to this unboxing and first impressions. I will be doing a full review with macro shots, and then we're gonna see how well this thing is made when it comes to fit and finish and those details under macro, because these types of watches, which are kind of simple and some might even call boring, although this one is not because of the specific dial, they kind of get the macro shots can either break them or make them. So I can't wait to see how much or how high the quality of the craftsmanship is, because on this, like from afar, the watch really looks like it's a high quality everyday watch with a very simple design, and even the design and this crown at 4 o'clock or 4:30 kind of gives me a nod or vibe of a Seiko 5, but done the proper way with solid links, solid end links, a sapphire crystal, and a true hacking movement, which is a Miyota 9839. I don't know if I mentioned it. It's a true no-date version of the 9015. Very cool watch and very simple. Anyways, that's it when it comes to this unboxing and first impressions. I will leave the link to the company in the descriptions, and as usual, stay tuned for the full review. Oh, I forgot to do a Lume shot, almost. So let's just do a Lume shot and we'll call it a day. Okay, let me just charge the watch for a few seconds under the light because it has been traveling and it's been in a box. We'll pull it in, zoom in, let the camera focus. The Lume used this Super Luminova BGW9, so it should glow quite well. Let me just get the camera to focus and turn off the light. And yup, it glows like crazy. It seems like the hands actually glow green, and it's true even in person, not just on the camera. And they're slightly brighter than the markers, which is an odd choice, but given the wild colors of the dial, it kind of works with the watch. Anyways, that's it. So like I said, stay tuned for the full review with macro shots. Then we're gonna see how well this thing is made. But so far, I really do like the simple but somehow quirky design. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.